The P0171 diagnostic trouble code is one of the most common issues in Toyota vehicles. This code indicates that your engine's computer has detected a lean air-fuel mixture condition. P0171 specifically means the engine control module has detected too much air and not enough fuel in bank 1 of your engine. But what exactly is bank 1? Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. In V6 and V8 engines, bank 1 is one side, while bank 2 is the other side. The P0171 code specifically affects bank 1. A lean mixture means there's too much air relative to fuel. The ideal air-fuel ratio is 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel. When this ratio increases beyond normal, the mixture becomes lean, triggering the P0171 code. Several key components can cause the P0171 code. Understanding these components is essential for proper diagnosis. The mass airflow sensor measures the volume of air entering the engine. When contaminated or failing, it can send incorrect readings to the ECM, causing a lean condition. Oxygen sensors monitor the exhaust gases to determine if the mixture is rich or lean. When these sensors degrade, they can't accurately detect the air-fuel ratio, leading to incorrect fuel adjustments. The fuel system must maintain proper pressure and flow. A weak fuel pump or clogged fuel filter can restrict fuel delivery, creating a lean condition that triggers P0171. Vacuum leaks allow unmetered air to enter the engine, bypassing the mass airflow sensor. This extra air creates a lean condition because the ECM doesn't know about it and can't compensate with additional fuel. Modern Toyota vehicles trigger the P0171 code when the long-term fuel trim exceeds plus 25% for an extended period. This threshold indicates the ECM is working overtime to compensate for a persistent lean condition. Understanding these components and how they interact is crucial for properly diagnosing P0171 codes. Each component plays a vital role in maintaining the correct air-fuel mixture your Toyota engine needs to run efficiently. The first step in diagnosing P0171 is retrieving all diagnostic trouble codes and freeze-frame data using a professional scan tool. Next, monitor the fuel trim values. Short-term fuel trim shows immediate adjustments, while long-term fuel trim above positive 20% consistently indicates a genuine lean condition. Perform a thorough visual inspection, checking for obvious vacuum leaks, damaged hoses, and loose connections. This simple step can often reveal the root cause. Systematically test key components, starting with the mass airflow sensor. Use a multimeter to verify proper voltage readings and check for contamination. Test fuel system pressure to ensure adequate fuel delivery. Low fuel pressure can cause lean conditions and trigger P0171 codes. Smoke testing is highly accurate for detecting vacuum leaks with a 95% success rate. This pressurized smoke test reveals even the smallest leaks. For complex cases, use advanced diagnostic tools like oscilloscopes to analyze sensor waveforms and identify intermittent issues. Here are the repair success rates for common P0171 fixes. MF sensor replacement resolves 35% of cases, vacuum leak repair 28%, fuel system service 22%, and oxygen sensor replacement 15%. After replacing a MAF sensor on modern Toyota vehicles, always perform the specific resurgent procedure. Skipping this step results in recurring P0171 codes in 40% of cases. Remember these key diagnostic principles. Always verify fuel trim data before replacing components, use systematic testing procedures, and never skip manufacturer-specific relearn procedures after repairs.